Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we are diving deep into something that is going to completely redefine your Snapchat experience. Say hello to PurrfectSnap. Built on the solid foundation of Snap Enhance, this is not just another simple fork. It is a complete reimagining of what is possible, pushing the boundaries with innovative features and a highly refined user experience. Whether you are rocking a rooted device or a non-rooted setup, PurrfectSnap is designed to give you deep control over media, privacy, automation, and the user interface. We are committed to active development, bringing you powerful tools that actually matter, built for casual users and power users alike. Let us start by taking a look at the PurrfectSnap APK file itself. You can find the download link right down in the video description. Make sure you download the correct version that matches your specific device architecture. The file is lightweight, but it packs an absolute ton of functionality inside, designed to unlock the full potential of your device. Installing it is super straightforward. Just tap on the downloaded APK file to begin the process. If prompted, make sure to allow installation from unknown sources in your device settings. Hit Install, wait a few seconds for the package to unpack, and the app will be ready to go on your home screen. Since PurrfectSnap operates as an LSPosed module, our next stop is the LSPosed Manager. Open up LSPosed on your device, head over to the Modules section, find PurrfectSnap in your list of installed modules, and simply toggle it on to enable it for the system. Now, let us get the app properly set up for action. Open the PurrfectSnap Manager application. The very first thing you need to do is carefully grant all the necessary permissions it asks for. This includes storage access, which is absolutely vital so the app can manage your media download smoothly. Here's a crucial step for getting the absolute best experience. You need to completely remove your currently installed version of Snapchat that you got from the Google Play Store. Go ahead and uninstall it from your device right now. Once that is done, we're going back into the PurrfectSnap app. PurrfectSnap features a built-in tool that will download a specific, highly optimized version of Snapchat directly through its own interface. Downloading it this way is incredibly important because it ensures that the patching process works flawlessly and all the tool mapping aligns perfectly with the module. Just hit the download button within PurrectSnap, let it grab the correct Snapchat APK and install it. This guarantees that all the advanced hooks and modifications will attach correctly to the application without any annoying crashes or compatibility issues. Take your time here to ensure every permission is granted. With everything securely set up, let us talk about the incredible features PurrectSnap brings to the table. The media downloader is absolutely phenomenal. You can set custom save locations, automatically download from selected sources, save profile pictures, and capture voice notes with full format control. It includes smart features to prevent duplicate files and utilize FFmpeg integration for combined content. For privacy, you're getting the ultimate stealth toolkit. You can completely bypass screenshot alerts, view stories entirely anonymously, hide your typing notifications, and read messages without ever triggering the read receipt. You can even bypass message retention policies and pin unlimited conversations. Want to customize the user interface? You can apply custom themes, including an AMOLED dark mode, hide unwanted UI components, and use a vertical story viewer. The camera controls are essentially professional grade, allowing you to set custom frame rates, force high-resolution overrides, and natively support HEVC recording. Plus, there's a powerful rules engine to automate workflows like auto-saving snaps based on stealth mode rules. For true power users, experimental tools like native hooks, advanced spoofing, an account switcher, and even an end-to-end encryption are readily available, alongside a streaks reminder and a background friend tracker. Please remember that some of these features are intended strictly for educational, recovery, or accessibility purposes. Misuse might violate Snapchat's terms of service, and we're not affiliated with Snap Inc., nor are we responsible for any violations by the user. Our sole purpose here is education. If you enjoyed this breakdown of PurrectSnap, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.